Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is a gym vlog. We're going to be doing leg day. So this is my current weight. I'm trying to get my weight down about 30 to 40 pounds before I go for my BBL in January. So I thought I'd take you guys with me. So I used to be a personal trainer at Experience Fitness, so I do have a little bit experience on training, and I have weightlifted on and off for about 5 to 6 years. So right now I'm doing the Stairmaster. I'm just doing a warm-up. I'm alternating my foot position so I do not get bored with my cardio. So I just wanted to show you guys another angle of my feet so you can see my positioning so you don't get confused as to what I'm doing on the Stairmaster. So no matter what level you're at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you want to stretch before your workout so you don't cause yourself any injuries. I also kind of just wanted to document this for myself to see how far I have come after I lose all this weight. I'm doing walking lunges. You can use weights or not use weights. I'm using a 20-pound weight and I'm just walking all the way back and forth, 3 sets of 12 for each rep. And yes, I absolutely know that my form is not the best. I probably haven't lifted weights in about 2 years. So coming out of quarantine, I just wanted to get back into things. Here I'm just doing standard squats. You just want to act like you're sitting in a chair, and then when you come up you kind of want to squeeze your glutes, and that's about it. I did 3 sets of 12 of these as well. These are called kickbacks. I'm doing them to the side and to the back and to the side, 3 sets of 12, and these are actually a glute activating exercise. Here I am doing sumo squats, 3 sets of 12. For the foot positioning, you want to put them sideways, almost like a 𝒹𝓊𝒷𝓒. And my back has an extreme arch in it, but you're supposed to keep your back straight as you go up and down. This is called plyometrics. These are called squat jumps. I absolutely love plyometrics. I did 3 sets of 12 of these as well. Well, that was my gym vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be part of the Glam family. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content.